safety tip, we'll be talking about color-coded chopping board. It is very important that if you have any food establishment, you understand and you know and you use color-coded chopping board. The red chopping board is used for raw meat. The yellow chopping board is used for cooked meat. And the blue chopping board is used for raw fish. And the brown chopping board is used for vegetables. And a white chopping board is used for dairy and bakery. And you have the last one, which is the green, is used for salad and fruit. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.